how's it going? Out vacuuming right now. Got the good old Shark vacuum. I tell you what, they're the best vacuums ever. I recommend Shark. Hold on. Hello? Oh. One minute. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, but I'm in. Oh, whoa. Oh! Good old vacuum. If you guys don't have a Shark, I tell you, I recommend get one. They're the best vacuums ever. And I tell you, I had a Dyson. And one of the good ones. Between the Dyson and the Shark is better. It beats it. I tell you, I give it a 10. There's nothing like a Shark. See, I mean, it's not my vacuum. I'm actually helping my cousin out. Doing up their place. I'm going to be mopping shortly. Yeah. Fucking anymore. A bowl? Hello. I just got done vacuuming. Now I'm gonna take the Swiffer sweep and sweep the floor. Mop it. Oh shit, I cleaned there. Come on, we can go. Well, I tell you, like I said, I'm buying a good fucking vacuum. I'm getting another Shark. I'm gonna buy a good one, and that's gonna keep that's gonna suck everything out of that rug when it's done. Alright. And I need to clean up one chair because I gotta wait. The kids get off the bus around close to 3:30. I gotta stay here and tell the kids that they have to stay in the house until I get back, or they get back. Yeah. Oh yeah, they've been here by themselves before. No, Camden's coming with me. He's coming with me. He's gonna be setting out. He's screwed. Right now. Yep. No, I got my camera rolling because I'm vlogging finally got a chance to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna get my computer too. Gotta come and do up my videos and all that shit. I just want to make sure. Here we go. One more time. We're gonna celebrate. One more time. We're gonna celebrate life. We're gonna go to heaven. We're gonna pray to God. Oh. Yippee-ki-yay, 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 motherfucker. Let's go, butter that nigga rock. Let's go, butter that up. I didn't mean to send an N-word, but just a song stuck in my head. Oh yeah, this is what I want to show you guys. This is what I'm going to be playing with later. Oh, fuck. It's got charging. Here we go. Here's the remote. Here's the shot caller. Haha. Right, boy, right. We're gonna have fun. One more time. Gonna execute myself. Fuck. Oh, got a puppy. Got a puppy. Woo! Ooh. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna close that.